Yo, welcome to the Traders Reality Crypto Projections, episode 26. We're starting a new month, guys, so we got a new playlist, the month of June. Please make sure you go back and watch April and May's playlist so that you can understand how patterns play out and just regurgitate the information that we just discuss on a day-to-day basis. I hope everybody is new. All new subscribers, welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for your support. And if you are new to the channel, just get ready for a very interesting ride, guys, because it just looks like something's going to change in the marketplace. So let's get straight to it. Bitcoin. From the weekend, you can see that she has formed this pattern. Now, if you go back and watch the previous live streams, we were paying attention to these 3 hits to the low. Okay. Now, we were working out whether or not Bitcoin was going to break this zone right here. Okay, so it's really important that we pay attention to what the market maker does within this $8,000 range that she's stuck in. Okay, now looking at the way Bitcoin is behaving right now, we can see that she's coming back down towards the 50 EMA. She's actually broken that zone and we are heading towards the psychological high. Notice that there's a green candle at that point, so we anticipate that Bitcoin will bounce from that point there. Rejection has been sat at the 200 EMA, so we're not out the woods yet. We're only out of the woods once Bitcoin breaks above the 40k mark. So depending on what you are as a trader, if you're a swing trader or you are a scalper, short-term day trader, there are ways that you can exploit these small moves. But in my opinion, until Bitcoin breaks the 40k mark, there's nothing really saying that they favor higher prices until they break out of that zone. For short-term day trading, it's a different story, okay? Now, if price comes back down to the green candle in this point right here, things may get a little bit interesting. Okay, so the psychological high and the psychological low have been set for the week, and we all understand what these zones mean. If you don't, please head over to the streams so you can get a clear understanding of what to expect from these areas here. Okay. Please pay attention to the fact that we were down 2 liquidity pools from yesterday. US and the UK were both closed. So today, the UK and the US may absorb the fact that they haven't been able to build the positions that they wanted to build at the start of the week, being Monday. Okay, so we might see some real interesting, tricky behavior this today. So ideally, Wednesday is going to be the day where everything is all back to normal. Okay, now Ethereum, on the other hand, you can see she's coming very strongly back down to the 50 EMA. She broke above the 200. Now, for me, Ethereum needs to actually come above the 800 EMA. My first projection zone is in this area right here. As you can see, with Ethereum, she's shown support at the M2, but she has just been rising non-stop. So this pullback is consistent with the first retrace from this W formation. Remember, smaller the W, smaller the move to the upside, and the retraces that happen as follow are going to start and end quick as well. Okay, so we just got to be mindful of that instance. You can see there's a green candle down there. So will they send it down to that point before they make the move to the upside? It all depends on what the market maker decides to do. Remember, across the board, everybody has experienced the novelty of price dropping so badly, but it's not a crash, guys. Remember, it's a consolidation. It's an accumulation. You can see the zones. Forgive the lines, guys, but that's me not tidying up my charts. Bitcoin is a little bit more cleaner, but you can see that Ethereum is just behaving exactly the same way as Bitcoin. Now, the star of the show, in my opinion, is XRP. All right, you can see that she's come away from the zone. She's actually hit the zones 1, 2, 3 times. All right, you can see there's like a little mini inverted head and shoulders down here. And you can see the bigger inverted head and shoulders right there. So there are confluences amongst confluences. XRP has a lot of ground to recover, and these zones are where market makers have built their longs at lower prices, especially with the fact that XRP has had this news about the SEC's motion being denied. That's huge information for XRP. So what they're doing right now is they're bringing XRP back into the fray. Likewise, they're doing the same with Bitcoin, and they're doing the same with Ethereum, okay, because over the weekend they have been moving. So we're going to see a retrace back. It's expected. They're going to bring everything back into the 50 and to the 200 EMA in XRP's situation. You can see also the red candle now that has appeared to recover the green candle here. Will she come back down to this zone right here to effectively hit or make way towards the psychological high? Remember, the psychological high and low for each coin is very important. All right, now if and only if this zone does hold, we should be hitting up towards this projection point, which I've been so talking about the 1.166. So it's all going to be an interesting next few days in the marketplace. We're at the start of a new month, guys, so that means new market maker targets, new intentions, new mindsets, new ways of trading. But ultimately, you can't eliminate the concept of fear and greed. That will always be the same no matter what day of the week it is. Okay, so I hope that has helped you guys. It's all nice, these short videos, guys. That's what this channel is about. Short, quick breakdown of what to expect with price. If XRP holds this zone, we should be seeing this area up here. Now, we also apply the same with Bitcoin as well. We just need to wait and see what their intention is. All right. Mad respect to all of you guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's projection video. Thank you, everyone, for passing through. Peace.